Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to today's video. And if you see markets going near our level and then again seeing a selling in the end. But you see the problem in this type of market is that the momentum is happening in just few candles, and after that the market is going sideways or is not showing a lot of momentum. And I think you would have also really faced that problem in the market, right? Because you would be expecting momentum, right? After such a big fall, you would be expecting maybe market might move down even more, but that does not happen at all, right? And that is the problem with the market. Since a few days this is happening, since bank nifty, since the budget is done, this sort of momentum is happening in the market, because of which it is a bit frustrating for you to take a trade. And I can also understand, I have also not been performing that great. But yes, if we say nifty also seeing a sell off in the end, so does that mean that are we going to see a correction tomorrow, or what is going to happen in the market? Now, you see, one thing in the thing that you need to look out for is the FNO data. If you see, pros have again come into long position over there. Sure, the long position is not that big. I'm not saying that they've completely gone long or anything, but pros have again come into long over here, and all of these three participants are in a long position now. But one thing that you need to keep in mind is that clients are now going bearish. Slowly, they are starting to make bearish positions. Like if you see today, they've opened a huge call short position over here at the bottom of the, not a bottom, but still, at a place where market can bounce back from here. But I'm going to talk about that in the coming few minutes. And then if we see, they've also exited their put shots over here, and I think in a good profit also they've exited their put shots, because market had gone up a little bit. But still, if you see, clients are now coming slowly, they are coming into a bearish position in the market. Now what we need to see is, are clients coming even more bearish, and are pros going even more bullish? Because if you see, they've held their you can say future short position, but their call short position, if you see, they've basically squared off half of their position today. And they've also made a huge put short position today. Not a huge put short position, but still it is a big enough put short position that we cannot ignore it, right? And at the same time, if we see, pros have been accumulating calls and puts both, so they are maybe expecting some sort of a momentum either on the upside or on the downside. But one thing that you can see is, they have been steadily holding their future long positions. So as of now, what we need to do is, it looks like the market may not be ready to go down a lot, right? Sure, as I said, that 50,800, this zone will be the most important, and I still stand by it that this zone will be more important. And what we can do for tomorrow is going to be very simple. Now, 51,200 to 51,300, very good support that you can say that the market has been taking over here. So tomorrow what you guys can do is that, if we open with a gap up, let's say somewhere near 51,700, 600, all these levels, then we will not trade tomorrow, right? What we will rather do is wait for the market to break this zone, go above this zone, and then if the market starts to make positive price action above this zone, then we can think about taking a bullish position over here till the target of 52,200 on the upside. Why am I telling you to take a bullish position is that the data that we can see in the market over here is indicating a bit of bullishness, or it is not indicating very much of a bearishness. Because if you see, if the market really has to go bearish, you would not see such high, long positions being made in the market, right? So as of now, it looks like the market is not ready to go down. Sure, yesterday, definitely the data was telling us something different, but we need to understand that the data changes every day, every hour. So you need to be very flexible in the market and change your view according to what the data is telling you. So at higher levels, if you open with a gap up, we will not do anything. Rather, we'll wait for the market to break this zone, go above this zone, then make positive price action. And if that is happening, then we'll go ahead and take a bullish trade. But our target will be small, only till 52,200, because this is a big hurdle, because of the I had told you guys about the volume, basically the highest volume place, right? This is the place from exactly where the market took resistance, this is a place where there are highest number of positions that were made in this consolidation. So until unless this level is not crossed, market may struggle to go up a lot. So for tomorrow we will keep a small target. If we cross this level, then we will think about taking being more long in the market. But if we open flat, then what we will do is not take a short position outright, because there is a good support at over here of 51,000. I'll go ahead and mark it for you guys. No, yes, there is a good support of 15,300 to 200, right? If the market comes near this area, market probably will again take support and then go up. Why am I saying so? Because market has been falling directly from 50 and 900. So if it comes near this area, maybe some people might want to book profits, and because of which we might see a bit of a bounce. However, if after getting a bounce, if after getting a pullback, we are again breaking this area, then we will go ahead and take a short position in the market, and this time our target will be 50,900 on the downside. This area will be very crucial. If the market is taking very good support from this area, something like this or something like this also, then we will go ahead and take a long position from this area, and for a good target of again 15,800 easily. Why am I saying so? Is because the data is not suggesting that the market is ready to go down a lot from here. So most probably market will again take support from here, probably make a bottom, then again start to move up from here, right? So this is a very good area to take a long position. And as I said, that if you want to take a short position, what we will let the market do is, first of all, let the market come near this area. Even if it breaks this area, that is fine, but what we need is a pullback after that. If the market gives you a pullback and the second time the market goes on to break the low, that is when we will go ahead and take a short position over here, right? So I hope the plan for tomorrow is pretty much embedded in your mind. But still, if you feel like something else, do let me know in the comments. What do you think? How will the market move? Because I am also, some things I might also miss on some days, because again, I'm a human and everybody is, so we might make mistakes also. So if you guys think something else, how can the market move, then do let me know. Also, in between over here, no trading zone. This will be a zone where you will only make losses. So if we are in this zone, then what you can do is sell 52,000 call and sell 50 on 1,000 put. But the thing is that the premiums are so less that it does not really make a lot of sense to do so. But yes, talking about Nifty. Now for Nifty, as I said, that this area at higher levels will act as a resistance. So if we open with a gap up, then we will not take a buying position. If we cross 24,970, 980, we will not take a buying position. Why? Because at higher levels, market might again take resistance, and you might not get such a good, you can say you might not get such a good trade over here. So until unless once the market closes about 25,000, then we will think about going long pretty easily on every dip. But until then, we need to stay a bit cautious over here. So at higher levels, if the market, let's say tomorrow, breaks and goes about 25,000, and if the market is again coming back down below 25,000 and making negative price action, and more importantly again below this high, then we will go ahead and take a short position from higher levels. Why? Because as I said in previous days video also, that this will be a fake breakout, and most probably a lot of buyers could get trapped over here. And if that happens, then we can see a very good fall from this area easily till 24,850. Also 150 points will not be a very big deal. Most probably you will get a fall again like this. So at higher levels, taking a long position in Nifty is not recommended until unless we close about 25,000 and firmly stay above that level, right? Please keep that in mind. And at lower levels, 24,800 is a pretty obvious level that you need to look out for. Today also, if you see, yesterday I had given this area of 24,880 to 900. Market did take resistance from there and go down a little bit, but still not, actually no, that is not the right one. This is the right candle. Go down, market did go down a little bit, but still, market broke that level and then see a bit of a buying. So can't do anything about it. We were expecting that market was going to fall, but sometimes you hit your stop losses, sometimes market will not work according to you. So the only thing that you can do in that time is limit your losses. Please limit your losses. Try to stay in the market for as long as possible, because that is the only thing which will help you survive over here and help you make profits, because survival is the most important. Profits will come afterwards, not a big deal at all. So now tomorrow 24,800 to 760 770 is the important zone that you need to watch out for. It is a pretty obvious zone, and that is why we will not take the trade as soon as the market breaks it for the first time. Because if you see market, same thing as Bank Nifty, 24,960 to 800, if the market comes in one go, then most probably people will book some profit over here, maybe somewhere near 760 750. So what we need in Nifty also is again a pullback in the market, maybe after breaking the zone, or maybe after even taking support from this zone like this. And then if Nifty is giving a pullback and then consolidating over here, that is also fine. If Nifty is giving a pullback and then breaking it the second time, that is also fine. We will go ahead and take a short position over here. Our target then will straight up be 24,720 on the downside. That will be our first target. And then the second target on the downside will be 24,680 to 680 to 650 on the downside. This zone will act as a support. So we will not keep our targets very big. Also keep booking your profits as Nifty goes down, because as I said, the data is indicating a pretty strong market still, and it is not indicating that we will see a sell-off. So what might happen is that these guys might again take the market up a little more. Pros might again get bullish over here, market might again go up, and then at higher levels of the market, these guys might think about taking a short position again. These might try to go short again at higher levels, right? So that is, I think, what could happen in the market most probably. So as of now, at lower levels, we'll not take a short position. We will rather think about taking a long position. 640 to 660 is a very good zone for Nifty to take a long position, because if you see, this was also a point of breakout, you can say, or previous high that Nifty had made. So 640 to 660 will be the area where you can think about taking a long position. Even 620 is fine, or even 600 is fine, but below 600 is a place where things might get a little bit dirty for Nifty. So Nifty should hold 24,600 if it has to move, but 640 to 660 a very good place to take a long position in Nifty. And from there, we can easily keep a target of again 24,800 first of all, and then 25,000 also, on a positional basis, because that target will not come in a single day. But yes, at lower levels, taking a long position is, I think, what can be a good thing to do. But yes, as we go higher, then we might see short positions again being made by FIs and pros. But as of now, we do not, the data is telling us that market is not ready to go down, at least not tomorrow. So if the data changes tomorrow, as I said again, data can change in a single day easily, and all of FIs and pros can come into short tomorrow itself. So data can change very easily, but I will tell you guys about that data change in tomorrow's video. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you very much for watching till the end, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.